One of the messiest part of making coffee is coffee roasting. There is so much chaff produced when you roast a coffee, especially Robusta. Just like cooking, if you want to learn how to roast coffee, you need to learn how to clean the coffee roaster. Okay, you want to learn cooking, you start from the dishes. You need 3 tools for coffee roaster cleaning. Alright, let me show you. Leaf blower, a simple brush like this, and Allen wrench or Allen key. Let's get into it. Let's start by powering the coffee roaster. So this will turn the airflow in the coffee roaster machine. And you need to open the door, boom, and open the bin checker. Okay? Alright, you need to see the chaff collector, if there's any chaff here. See? And let's throw this chaff. Okay, the chaff collector is now clean. Back on. Like usual, coffee is producing a static electricity, so the chaff will like magnetic here. You see, it will stick to the drum roaster, so we need to blow the chaff away. Okay, and I will start the engine again. So all the chaff that we blow from here will be thrown away to exhaust pipe and to the cyclone. Okay, so we will blow this and blow this part, and we will clean the cyclone and the chaff collector there. So after we disconnect all the electricity here, okay, for safety precaution of course, unscrew the nut here.
These nuts.
Open the lid. Let's see. Ooh. Sheesh. Ooh. Damn. All right. Let's clean this up. Brush, brush, brush. And the cooling tray. Bada bing, bada boom. Then we assemble this panel again. Let's plug the machine again and turn on. Alright, so I will close this. Let's clean the cyclone. Close it. Okay, done. Look at this statics. Holy moly. And now the machine is pretty clean and ready to make a new batch of coffee. So if you guys have any questions, drop your comment below and see you in the next one.